to tutor for you. This is a multi-factor productivity question, and one student asked me how to solve this question. So first of all, if you have this question, you can copy this table and paste it in Excel like this. And then I have that, I arrange the table, and what I need to do is I need to calculate labor productivity, resin productivity, and so forth. So I created 3 more columns: productivity last year, productivity this year, and then change from last year to this year. So first, labor productivity is going to be equals of last year production divided by labor, right? And I'm going to just copy this formula. To do that, I need to fix last year units produced. So I'm going to fix that as M3. And then just copy it down. Then I have the productivity there. And similarly, I'm going to do this divided by 260, and I just want to copy this formula, so I'm going to fix that location. And I have the productivity for this year for labor, resin, and capital investment and energy BTU. And the change would be from last year to this year, right? So the change would be the productivity this year minus last year, and how much it changed from last year. So 4 is going to be that. If I have that, you just copy it down, then you have the answer. There is some discrepancy in these decimal places, and I will take it into consideration if that happens. But this is how you are going to solve this question. Thank you.